Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I just wanted to come and show you my little purchase that I've done today. I had to go to the doctors because, as some of you may know, I've not been very well. I've got a urine infection and it's quite a nasty one. It's wiped me out a little bit, but as I was in town I thought I might pop in to Denim and get a couple of bits, only a few little bits. You may have seen my circle in the sand granny that I did, and I did the centre with this yarn, and this is beautiful. So I got some of this because I want to do a giveaway, and it's so pretty. I thought that I would get this, a couple of balls of this for my giveaway. So I did pick up, because I've got 1.5 left, so I wanted to get another one, but I might do something with that. And oh, didn't tell you about it, did I? You can tell I'm not very well, not firing on all cylinders, unfortunately. It's worse at night, so make the most of the daytime. Sorry about the rustling. Anyway, the 100g balls, I did show some of these a little while ago. They're 100% acrylic, very, very soft, and they're 300 meters or 328 yards. And we got a name? No, just a shade of 233. But it's the Robin paint box, and I love this colorway. It's just so pretty. So got that one, and I got 2 of these. And I've had this before. Equally as pretty. It's again Robin paint box, and this shade is 1133. Don't have pretty names, but isn't it lovely? I love these colours. It's kind of just so springy and summery. Springy, is that a word? Springy. I bought Gary some scissors. Forgot to give them to him, so I popped them over there. For some reason he's always losing his scissors. And I found my scarf. Wonder where that went. I think there should be more, you know. And I actually bought another one of these. And I got some more of this denim. Do you remember I bought this a little while ago? And I realised that I didn't really have enough to make a project. So I wanted to get... Let's get rid of that now. Wanted to get some more. But it's got this really nice stonewash kind of vibe, I guess you could say. So this is nice, really soft, this Peter Pan Pixie DK 100g, excuse me, and it is shade 3122. And what else do we have? There we go. It's 225 meters or 246 yards. So I got some more of this so that I could make a little project, because I didn't really have enough. And while I was there, I finally got myself a pair of these. I have been wanting a pair of these kind of rainbow type scissors, oil slick I think they call that, but I really wanted a pair for a long time, and last time I was in there I didn't get them. So I thought, you know what, my scissors are started to, even the Fiskars ones that are really meant to be good, when I cut yarn now you have to give it a couple of attempts. So I thought, I obviously need a new pair of scissors, so I got myself a pair, and I love these. So hopefully they won't dull, not for a long time. And they're Millwood, but aren't they cute? Absolutely lovely. So yeah, watch out, very soon I'll be doing a giveaway with that really pretty yarn. Anyway, I just wanted to get on as well, let you know why I've not been around very much lately. I would have been perfect opportunity last night to do a live stream, but I just, you know, I was really bad. In fact, it's the weirdest illness. When I've been cold, I've been getting really violent shakes, and I had 2 duvets on last night and I'm still cold. So it's not been the best. I've got antibiotics now, so hopefully it'll be gone soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, and watch out for the giveaway, and I think you'll see Happy Mail video as well coming out today. So thank you, and bye for now, everyone. Oh, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.